Welcome students. So today we are going to study chapter first, resources of geography, and this is the second part. If you haven't seen the first part, the link is in the description. So go and see that video first and then come to see this video. So let's start. In this video, we will learn human made resources, human resources, and conserving resources. Now we will take a look on human made resources. Modification of natural resources by humans to use it. This process of making resource modified is called human made resources. The natural resources which are modified by the humans, so this resource is called human made resource. If we take example of a table is made up of woods and wood is a natural resource, but human has modified it and make a table. So the modification which human has done, that modification made that table a human made resource. So now I think your all doubts about human resource is clear. Now moving towards human resource. So human itself is a resource. For example, human have intelligence, human have skills, human can modify a thing to use. So this skills, intelligence, power, this is a resource which human have. So human itself is a resource. And if somebody asks you what is human resource, you have to simply reply human itself is a resource, because human can think, human have power, human have intelligence, human can modify a thing to use, and all human made resources are made by human resource, because intelligence is applied in that to make a human made resource. So now I think your all doubts are clear. Conserving resources. In this topic, there is a story given of Mona and her friends. In this story, Mona is talking about her dream to his mother, and in that dream, she saw that all water and trees were cut down from the earth, and there is drought and no food to eat. So she asked with her mother that it could be happen. So her mother told that it can happen when we will not preserve our resources and we will waste them. So they make a group of children and decided to not waste paper, water, and all the other resources, because if they will exhaust, they will not return back. So, in this topic, this is all about given, and there are two terms which are highlighted. We will discuss them in the next slide. And conveying resources, in this chapter only a story is given, and then after some principle of sustainable developments are given, so we will also see them. The two points which were given on the conserving resources topic are a resource conservation. So what is resource conservation? Using resource carefully and giving them time to renew means preventing the resource, using them carefully and properly, and not wasting them. This property is called resource conservation. If we will preserve a resource, if we will use a resource carefully, it will get time and it will renewed. So this process, we can say, of using resource carefully and giving them time to renew is called resource conservation. Now, the second point is sustainable development. Balancing the need to use and also conserve them for future is called sustainable development. Means preventing a resource to use it for future. This is called sustainable development. And in this, it is given that balancing means using a resource as much as the user want, only that much, not wasting it. So this is all about sustainable development. Now we will see the principles of sustainable development. So there are some principles of sustainable development like respect and care all forms of life. We have to respect and take care of all the things which are present in our life. Second is improve the quality of human life, means live a modern life and prevent the natural resources. Third, conserve the earth vitality and depletion. The fourth principle is minimize the depletion of natural resources. We need to minimize the depletion of natural resources by preventing them. Next is change the personal attitude and practices towards the nature. We need to change our attitude towards the nature, our behavior towards the environment. Enable the communities to take care of their own environment. We need to talk to the communities so that they can take care of their own environment. We need to tell them the importance of the environment. So by following these 6 principles, we can we can do sustainable development and we can protect our environment. So with this last topic, our chapter is completed and we will meet soon with the next chapter. And if you find this video useful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get our new updates. And this is all for today's video, and we will meet soon. And till then, thank you very much.